Fix the McAfee login not working issue. 3 quick solutions. Method 1. Reset incorrect credentials. Step 1. To check the email address, open Total Protection on your Windows. Step 2. On the left side, click on the account icon. Step 3. Next, click on My Subscription and ensure that the registered email address matches with the login address. Step 4. To reset your password, go to official McAfee website. Step 5. Click on Forgot Password. Step 6. Enter registered email address and then click on Email Me. Step 7. Go to your registered mail and open the mail titled Reset Your McAfee Password. Step 8. Click on the link inside the email. Step 9. Type in your new password. Step 10. Enter your password again to confirm. Step 11. Once done, click on Reset Password. Method 2. Check server connectivity problem. Step 1. Click on the Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar. Step 2. Check your Wi-Fi status. Step 3. See if it shows no internet connection. Step 4. In case of no internet connection, unplug the power cable from the router. Step 5. Wait 15 seconds. Step 6. Plug the power cable back in and try logging in your McAfee account again. Method 3. Renew subscription. Step 1. Go to McAfee official website. Step 2. Enter your registered email and password. Step 3. Click on Login. Step 4. Tap on Account from the top right corner. Step 5. From the drop-down, click on Purchase History. Step 6. Next, click on the Renew Now next to the expired subscription. Step 7. Review the plans and select the one that suits you from the Select Subscription drop-down. Step 8. Once done, tap on Renew Now. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.